welcome back to my channel. My name is Spear and this is Slay with Spear. If you're just stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by. Hi, you're welcome. Can I know your name in the comments below? Say something in the comments below and let me know where you're watching from. So give this video a thumbs up after you've done that, and also subscribe to the channel, okay? Thank you. Welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today's video is just going to be a simple, quick and easy protective hairstyle. I'm just going to do a 5-strand of feed-in braids, just a little extension, not too much because my hair is full, and I'm just going to add a little extension just so I can coil the tips of this hair. This is how I'm doing it, so please watch the video carefully to see how I'm doing it, and at the end let me know what you think. Will you be trying this style? Will you be slaying with Spear? The goal of this channel is that if I post a video, you can recreate it and tag me on Instagram and on TikTok. So do well to recreate and tag me. That's where the Slay with Spear comes in. So please make sure you slay with Spear after watching this video. Okay, let me leave you to enjoy this video. Okay, bye. I have done this style before. I'm going to leave the video of that in here. I have done this style before, and the inspiration is actually gotten from Zendaya. Yes, it's one of her hairstyle. I saw it first on her. That's why I decided to recreate the hairstyle. So I'm also going to leave that on the screen so you can see. So far so good. I'm almost done with my hair. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button, turn on all post notification so you'll be the first to get notified when next I upload a video. And don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Do we love it? So this is it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, and continue to slay with spear. Bye, guys. Yeah.